Thinking about the muscle-down paper boy. Wishing he'd come by and bring me some good news.
Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? All right. Still rebounding from, I guess I caught what's called the frat virus. FRAT. It's the Delta Omni monkey drinking a corona virus. Whatever. Anyways, now I had the flu. They wanted me to go in and get tested. I was like, I don't think so. Last thing I need is you guys cramp stuff up my nose and give me some kind of disease. I'm good. Anyways, I've been wondering when cryptos were going to bottom out. There was a part of me that had not felt like they had reached bottom yet. It definitely is a market correction and a huge manipulation. You see, you can't go into midterms with assets like cryptocurrencies and gold and silver going up because it gives people the impression that they're not happy with the economy. So this administration is not beyond manipulating the markets and just flat lying to you so they could try to look good going into midterms. I said that before and people were kind of bent, but that's just the honest to God truth. We saw that happen under Obama. And so are cryptos, have they hit the bottom? There's a part of me that felt like they hadn't hit it yet, but they seem to be running horizontal there. So maybe they have. Is this a good time to get back into cryptocurrencies? I'm not a fan of cryptocurrencies. You guys heard me say that many of times, but it doesn't mean I don't own any. I do. We're going to go over some of these and take a look at where the market is and ask you, do you think it's going to stay this way? Do you think they're going to start climbing? Have we reached the bottom yet? Has the correction already taken place? And I'm talking about the market correction, the bubble that cryptocurrencies were in. Before we get started, though, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. If you're thinking about buying gold and silver, and you should be, go to our friends over at Money Metals Exchange. The link is down below in the description. If you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, Pimpy, and you'll get a free half ounce of silver. To my subscribers over there on Pimpy's News Network, this could be you. Or even better, this could be you. All 15 squares full, which led to a 64,000 jackpot that I got. That's right. If you're a subscriber on Pimpy's News Network and you pay $5 or more per month, this could be you. Once a month, we will select one name out of the network that pays $5 or more on their subscription, and you will automatically be entered into a drawing. If your name is selected, we will reach out to you via email to let you know you have been selected. We will let you know what day. We will go live on air from the casino, put in $100 on your behalf, and from there, everybody could watch live to see if you walk away with hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, and possibly even tens of thousands of dollars. We will all see live on air what the outcome is. That's going to be the fun part of this whole thing. So come on over and join Pimpy's News Network. $5 a month is all you have to pay to be eligible for the drawing. And again, if you're selected, we will do this live on air. You will see what the winner gets. It's going to be a lot of fun. Come on over there and join us. I look forward to it. That should be a lot of fun. We went over, did a couple of practice polls just to see what happened. It's about 50-50. What I mean by that is 50% of the time, you'll either walk away with $0 or maybe some low payouts like $30, $40. Even so, some people would be happy with that better than nothing. I mean, if your subscription is $5 a month and you walked away with 40, that's 8 months worth of free subscription if you think about it. But there's a couple other times in which we hit in the high hundreds. And one of them, we got a disc that came up to was $1,000. So just off that one pull alone was $1,120 payoff. So that's the thing about it. Who knows? Somebody could walk with a lot of money. And I had somebody say to me, that's a gimmick, Pimpy. You're just doing a gimmick. Yeah. Sometimes you got to do a little giveaway to do whatever it takes to entice people over to your channel. That's part of marketing. I mean, give me a break. So what is going on in the crazy world of cryptocurrencies as well as gold and silver and a couple other things for that matter? I've been wondering if cryptocurrencies have bottomed out or are they still going to go down even further? There was something telling me that that's very possible. As a matter of fact, I was anticipating Look at this drop. This is terrible. I was anticipating seeing Bitcoin possibly go down around $20,000. That has not happened. So really, since November the 7th, cryptos have taken a big fat doo-doo. As you can see here, it's lost a ton of its value. More than 50% of it. So as you can see right here, it's running pretty much horizontal. And what we're waiting for is it to start going up consistently. And once you start seeing that, then you have to say to yourself, has it hit bottom? Is now a good time to jump back on to cryptocurrencies? You should be studying which ones you would like to get onto. You know, if you think Bitcoin's going to go back up to 67,000, you know, that's more than doubling its current value. Well, then you would jump on Bitcoin and try to ride that bad boy back up. So right now we got Bitcoin sitting at $30,655. Ethereum's at $1,903. And this is just terrible, man. XRP looks like crap. It is now down to 39 cents. 39 cents. And if you're interested in buying XRP because you think it's going to swing back up, then go over to Kucoin. The link is down below in the description. You can buy XRP there. Cardano's at 51 cents. Solana is at $46.46. You have Dogecoin sitting at 8 cents, man. That's so crazy because I remember what Doge was right before Elon Musk went on to the Saturday Night Live. It was like 72 cents. Polkadot's at $10.23. Shiba is at 4012. Polygon is finally up there. That's one of the new world order coins too. It's at 63 cents. So some of these who had dropped out of the top 25 as far as market cap is concerned, looks like they have returned. You got crypto.com, which is at 18 cents. So there's some nice growth going on right now. You can see Cardano's up almost 12%. Hex is up over 15%. Shiba's up over 11%. Those are really nice growth numbers. You'd like for them consistently be there. That'd be nice. Now here's something interesting. I was talking about Luna and I said, do you think Luna is going to recover? Everybody's like, no, Pimpy, it's dead, it's gone. As a matter of fact, they released a whole new Luna coin. And I saw that, but this Luna coin continues to climb. Look at it's up 81%. 81%. It was down to 4083, and now it's up to 302. That's a nice jump. Will it start to climb back out? Is this dead? Is this coin dead? Is it over with? I know they released a new one, but what's that mean about the other one? And if this coin was dead, why is it continuing to go up in value? I mean, that's a big jump from where it was. So from May 29th, which was what, yesterday, to where it is now, yeah, you got over 80% growth. That's a nice little jump. I'll still continue to keep an eye on it. I got like 600,000 of those bad boys. And what they did is on my other exchange, they gave me the other Lunas, but they only gave me like 15 of them. It's funny. So I've not been paying attention to Satama because I've been dying, trying to recover. I come back and it looks like Satama added yet another zero. So you have 8 zeros now, 49. But when I come over here and take a look at what's going on, over the past hour, it is at 0.4%. Over the last 24, it is down at 1.6%. But over the last 7 days, its average is at 33.9% increase. Over the last 14 days, it has a 22.8% increase. And over the last 30 days, that number has come down big time. It is negative 20.2%. Since the 25th of May, it has gone up a pretty big chunk. I mean, on the 25th, you have a 3.1% increase. Not a lot, but the following day, it's dropped a 0.5%. Then the day after that, it's back up 3.1%. Then it's up another 18.8%, and then it jumps up another 21.4%. So I'm not sure what's going on with Satama. It drives me insane, but I continue to hold on to it and ride it out just like I spoke about. Now, people have been asking me about the Russian ruble, so let's talk about it. When we first spoke about it, it was 0.0072. I said, hey, if you think it's going to rebound, and which eventually it would, 0.0072 would be the time to buy it. If you bought it, it is now up to, what is this, 0.016? That's a 122% increase in value. And they're considered the world's strongest currency right now. Russian ruble is the strongest currency in the world this year. Yeah, because it's backed by gold. So much for damaging Russia with sanctions. I said the Russian ruble is the best performing currency in the world this year. 2 months after the ruble fell to less than a US penny, Amid the swiftest, toughest economic sanctions in modern history, Russia's currency has mounted a stunning turnaround. The ruble has jumped 40% against the US dollar since January. That's crazy, but not unexpected. So if you were lucky enough to jump on the rubles, you are making out. And I don't think that right is done. People were asking me about the metaverse coins again because I haven't talked about them in a little while. Not a whole lot of people were talking about them, so I figured you guys were just bored with them. But here's the metaverse coins. They're all rebounding just like you're seeing other cryptos. But they've taken a pretty big hit. Some of them taking bigger hits than even Bitcoin. This is Decentraland. That's one of the ones that I first originally got. Look at this, it's down to $1.07. But if you take a look at it this way, which is just in the past 24 hours, I mean, you can see it went from, what is this, 93 cents on up to $1.07. You can see. So is it rebounding? Here's something even scarier though. So you can see this is just ugly. But like all the cryptos, some of them dropped big time. We had Decentraland was up there around $4, over $4, and now it's down to $1.07. Over the last 6 months, look at this. It has lost 77.31% of its value. That's more than Bitcoin. The Sandbox was another one I liked, and they got up to $4, I think, as well. But over the last 6 months, it's lost 78.91% of its value. Now, you want to see a huge loss, even though it's up 10.21% today, it is down to $296. But over the last 6 months, it is down 84.23%. Remember, it's like $1,500 for this coin. $1,500. I love the game. I saw it. I saw its launch. It looks good. I think people were really going to get involved with it. And then all of a sudden, all the cryptos just dropped. That's too bad. But like I said, if you think they've already bottomed out and they're going to be working their way back up, is this the time to jump on some of these? Remember which ones were the popular ones. Do you think they're going to get back to their original high points, or do you think they're going to pass them, or do you think that's it? That's not going to be that high again. Silver is still above $22 for now. We know what happens when the markets open on the East Coast. So since May the 12th, slowly but surely, silver has been climbing. It is up $1.50 since May the 12th. A slow, healthy climb, we'll take it. Gold's at $1,857.80. Since May the 16th, it is up almost $50. If you're not invested into gold and silver, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm sorry if it's too slow for you, but it's a safe haven. We've already saw what assets are true safe havens, which ones are storage of wealth, and we know that gold and silver is still the champion out there, and nothing could beat it. You look how much money was lost in cryptocurrencies. That's not a storage of wealth, nor is that a safe haven. So I've been predicting the crypto bubble for a while now, and apparently it looks like the market correction has taken place. So again, my question to you, have cryptos finally bottomed out? Will they start rebounding? I remember in March of 2020, we talked about this before, when the markets crashed and cryptos went down, and I said, if you believe that crypto is going to stay this low, I think you're sadly mistaken. I think you're not only going to see a rebound, but then it's going to take off, and that's exactly what happened. And everybody remembers I built that fictitious portfolio in which I have to get up running again because a lot of people have been asking for that. So we'll set up a whole new one. I will be putting on their minor stocks for gold and silver, as well as other precious metals for that matter. So you guys let me know what you think. Is that it? Have they bottomed out? Will we start to see cryptos recover? Remember, we're dealing with inflation. We're dealing with a market that has a dying dollar. And just keep that in mind. If you're going to invest in cryptos, make sure when you get a chance to pull out some of your profits, you do, and put it in something safe like gold and silver, right? It's just a suggestion. It's up to you what you do with it. Anyways, that's it for now, you guys. It's nice to see cryptos up there. Will they stay there? We will see. Hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later. I'm out.